Hello, my Maxinista and Fashionista. This is MaxCloset, Exquisite Beauty, back with another DIY on an ugly sweater dress. Here it is. I added the bows and the cones to this dress and also some blinking lights. And also I tried to do photo shoot with my dog. Of course, it was an epic fail. He would not act right. So here are the pictures of that. Okay, here's one shot. Here's another one. He just would not look at the camera. He wanted to play with me on the floor. So I just thought I'd share this with you guys. And here's the dress again on the mannequin. And here's my dog. He did fine by himself, but not with his master. And here's some more photos of me in the dress at work. I hope you enjoy this video. Please share and like and subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated. And may you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. God bless. Bye.